How to fix Ooma Blinking Red. How to fix Ooma Blinking Red. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to fix the Ooma Blinking Red. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So first of all, what is Ooma Blinking? What is the meaning of it? A blinking red Ooma logo indicates that the Ooma Telo device is not able to connect to the internet. That can occur due to various reasons, including issues with your internet connection, device upgradation in progress, or settings in the device itself. So that is the meaning of it. So in order to fix that, we can follow up the solutions. First thing is checking up the connections. So for that, you need to use a non-good Ethernet cable to connect to the internet port on the Ooma Telo to a LA and port on your modem. And then ensure that no other devices are connected to the Ooma Telo at this point. Otherwise, the next method is verifying the status. For that, you can head over to the Ooma admin page and log in through your browser. And then once you are logged in, go ahead and click on the status tab. After that, verify the Telo has an IP address issued by your internet service provider and verify that the Ooma tunnel says connected. And under applications, verify that all of the 4 services say running. And the fix number 3 is restarting a device. So you can go ahead and turn off both of your Ooma Telo device and your modem. If your modem has a backup battery, disconnect it to ensure it fully powers down. You can use a non-good Ethernet cable to connect the internet port on the Ooma Telo to an LAN port on your modem. And ensure that no other devices are connected to the Ooma Telo at this point. After that, turn on your modem first and wait for it to fully synchronize with your internet service provider. That can take about few minutes. After that, we can also check the IP configuration. Sometimes the issue occurs if you have enabled the static IP. This process should help in restoring connectivity and resolving the blinking red light issue. So for that, log into your admin page and go to Internet tab and look at the Connection tab. After that, click on the down arrow and select Dynamic DHCP and then click on Update Device and restart your modem. After that, wait for some time. Sometimes the router will blink red if the firmware update is under the process. So wait for at least 2 to 3 hours and give device some time to update and complete the process. After that, factory reset the device. So go ahead and press and hold both the play and trust buttons when the logo is blinking red, or slightly earlier if you prefer. And wait for the blinking red light to turn to change to a fast red or blue blink, and then wait again for it to transition to a solid red light and release the buttons once the logo is solid red. And then the logo will turn off for about a minute, although the link lights will remain visible. Finally, the unit will reboot automatically, completing the factory reset process. If that doesn't work, you can try another method to factory reset the device. For that, remove the power for the Ooma device and hold the Ooma tab, the blue light, and connect the power and hold for 30 seconds until all the lights start flashing. Above all, if none of those works, the next step you can apply is directly contacting the Ooma support. To contact the Ooma support, you can call the following number, which is 188-711-662 for residential, which is for the residential service. Otherwise, for business support, you can go ahead and type in 1-866-939-662 and go ahead and call that number. Otherwise, you can also email at the customeradvocate@ooma.com for the general inquiries, or use the live chat feature on the Ooma website. So that is it. That is how you can fix up your Ooma Blinking Red for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.